Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you my very own recipe of creamy chicken spaghetti in truffle oil. The ingredients are garlic, onion, sliced button mushroom, cherry tomatoes cut into two, cooking cream, grated parmesan, shredded chicken, spaghetti noodles, and of course truffle oil. I have also used fresh basil for this recipe para mas mabigyan ng emphasis yung flavor. So, as per Chef Gordon Ramsay, my favorite chef, nung nagkausap kami, charot. So, turo nga ni Chef Gordon, seryoso to ha, turo ni Chef Gordon, kapag gagamit ka ng mga fresh herbs, kailangan pagpatong-patungin mo sila and then roll it and then chopped it together. The reason is, kapag niro-roll mo kasi siya, mas lumalabas yung flavor ng herb. Yes guys, totoo yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Na-meet ko na in person si Chef Gordon. And talagang sobrang amazing yung feeling na hindi ko ma-explain, na naiiyak ako, na papawisan, na naiiyak, na hindi ko alam. Basta sobrang, alam mo yung feeling na na-meet mo yung super idol mo na personality. Ganun. So, syempre, as a fan, talagang marami akong mga pinapanood na tutorials niya. And may mga cookbooks din niya ako na binabasa ko. So, whatever I'm learning, sinishare ko dito sa channel ko. Of course, I will be sharing my full Chef Gordon Ramsay experience sa mga coming vlogs ko. So, watch out for it guys! So, for this pasta, the perfect pan to use, for me ha, opinion ko lang, is the all-clad D3 weeknight pan with lid. O, diba, maiyabang ko lang yung all-clad ko. Sorry. Permission to brag. Ayun na nga, napainit na natin yung pan and it's time for us to put the truffle oil since in truffle oil ang ating recipe ngayon. Just a little amount of truffle oil. Kasi mamaya magdadagdag pa tayo ng truffle oil, so konti lang muna. So now the usual, we'll put the onion, tapos hanggang maging translucent na siya. So again, you will ask, bakit kailangan onion? Kasi ang garlic, mas madaling maluto. So uunahin natin yung onion. Alam nyo guys, nung bata ako, ito yung pinaka-paborito kong ginagawa. Yung nagsastart yung gisa. Diyan ako nag-start paano ma-fall in love sa pagluluto. Hininaan ko na yung temperature ng stove kasi pinainit ko lang naman yung pan kanina kaya medyo mataas yung nag-start. Then we will add the garlic. I added a little bit of extra virgin olive oil kasi medyo natutuyo na. Now we will add the mushroom. The last time na nagluto ako ng pasta, sabi ko sa inyo, last na ilalagay yung mushroom kapag nagigisa kasi nagpo-produce siya ng water. But this time, unahin natin yung mushroom since hindi naman ako magigisa ngayon eh. I mean, yung mushroom lang talaga yung pinaka main ingredient and yung chicken, yung shredded chicken na ilalagay natin is na-boil na. So, basically, wala na masyadong gisa na mangyayari. So, now, pwedeng yung mushroom yung unahin natin ilagay. At this point, kailangan natin magdagdag ng extra virgin olive oil Konti lang naman para lang magkaroon uli ng moisture kasi yung truffle oil kanina madali siya na-absorb kapag niluluto. Ginawa ko lang siya kanina para yung oil ma-absorb kagad ng mga flavor na ginigisa natin. Then later, magdadagdag ulit tayo ng truffle oil kapag patapos na yung niluluto natin. So, ayan na nga. Now, it's time for us to add the boiled shredded chicken. So, this time, lalagyan mo na siya ng pepper and a little bit of salt. So, depende sa'yo. For me, pepper lang kasi yung cheese, medyo salty na siya. So, like what I always say, konti-konti lang yung ilalagay natin na salt and pepper. Parang layering lang siya. Kasi pag nasobrahan na kagad ng alat, mahirap nang i-adjust. Now, it's time to add the cherry tomatoes. Yan, yung cherry tomatoes, kinut ko lang siya into 2. Now, if you will ask, bakit cherry tomato? Kasi ang cherry tomato mas crispy, mas crunchy, I mean. By this time, we need to lower down the heat kasi yung mga remaining ingredients na ilalagay natin, hindi na kailangan ng sobrang heat, sobrang taas na temperature. And syempre, ayaw natin na masunog or ma-overcook yung cream. I added cooking cream in this recipe kasi nga, sabi ko, creamy spaghetti. Pero actually, pwedeng wag nyo nang lagyan ng cream. If you prefer a lighter pasta, you can skip out the cooking cream. Pero for this recipe, nilagyan ko lang siya ng cooking cream and some cheeses mamaya. But totally, pwede na yan actually as it is. No cream, no cheese, yun. And as I always say, yung tip ko lagi sa inyo, pag magluluto ng pasta, magtatabi kayo ng a cup of the pasta water kasi yun yung gagamitin natin na pang-add if you want more sauce. But if you have white wine, now is the perfect time to add a bit of white wine. And then add more pepper. As you can see, nililayer ko yung paglagay ng pepper and hindi na masyado salt kasi later on, madaming cheese akong ilalagay. So, hayaan nyo lang na medyo mag-thick yung sauce and then later on, yung pasta na ilalagay natin. Now, we will add the cooked pasta. Actually, yung pasta na yan, hindi siya masyadong cooked as per sa instruction nung label. Kasi nga, inimix ko pa siya sa sauce and makukontinue pa yung pagluto niya. So, make sure na hindi pa lutong-luto yung pasta na gagamitin nyo. But, if you are making the pasta, yung kanina, yung wala ng cooking cream, wala ng added cheese, pwede nyo nang wag ihalo yung pasta noodles. Pwede nang i-plate nyo na yung noodles and then ilagay nyo na yung mushroom and chicken and the truffle oil. Tapos, add more truffle oil na lang. So, ito na ang ating mga cheese. Grated parmesan. Damihan natin na masarap yan eh. Alam nyo guys, pasta is really my favorite food. I can eat it every day. So I really take pasta seriously. Not to brag or anything, pero masarap talaga akong gumawa ng pasta. I think so. Actually, I believe so. Ang yabang ng dating, but really, I take pride on my pasta. And then we will add some basil, yung nagtira ko kanina nang hindi ko sinap. So, yan, para lang may arte-arte, ganyan. And magtira rin kayo mamaya for plating. And then, na-realize ko, since I'm making this pasta creamy, I decided to add 2 different kinds of cheese. One is the sliced cheese. At this point, hinaan ko uli yung temperature ng stove. And the other one is cream cheese. Who doesn't love cheese anyway? So, more cheese, more masarap. So, basically, lahat na ng cheese sa fridge, nilabas ko na. Ayan na, ang creamy na niya, 'di ba? Super sarap, grabe. Haluin lang natin siyang mabuti para evenly distribute yung mga cheese and medyo mag-melt na din yung cheese. Of course, I added chili flakes kasi gusto ko may konting kick ng anghang sa pasta ko. And for the final touch, of course, we will have to add the truffle oil. Hanggang truffle oil muna ako kasi ang mahal ng totoong truffle eh. The truffle oil will give an extra earthy flavor na parang garlicky, ganon. So there, our creamy chicken spaghetti with truffle oil. Sobrang dali lang, 'di ba? This recipe is actually good for yung mga biglaang dinner, biglaang may bisita, ganyan. I hope you can try my recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos like this. Mga gorgeous people, please share this video so you can help me reach my 600 subscribers. Always remember guys, just cook it until my next video. Ta-ta!